On the 24th of April 2013, over 1,100 garment workers were killed at Rana Plaza, the worst industrial accident in the history of Bangladesh. The 9-storey building had been evacuated because large cracks had appeared in the building structure, but no action was taken. Over 3,000, mainly young women, were herded back to work or faced the sack. Half an hour later, they were dead or seriously injured. The Rana Plaza disaster in Dhaka highlighted the conditions under which most of the clothes that we buy in our country are being made, appalling paying conditions and little regard for basic health and safety. High street names including Primark, Gap, Walmart and many others are all involved. 4 years on, they've done little to get factory safety improved. Indeed, if Bangladesh enforces the building regs, these multinationals will likely move their operations to another country where the rules are not enforced. It is therefore up to us to make the global multinationals to insist on decent standards wherever in the world our clothes are produced. Nothing will change unless we, the consumer, insist upon it. Fashion Revolution Week starts on April the 24th when we're in recess. The fashion revolution is a global movement demanding a safer, sustainable, transparent fashion industry. Question where your clothes are coming from and under what conditions they've been made. Wear your jacket or your jumper inside out so we can see the label. The fashion revolution demands greater awareness of the cost of cheap clothing, and the Future Generations Act also demands it.